In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Power Apps app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, first let me uninstall this app. Now to install your Power Apps app, you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. So I'll tap on Google Play Store and then search for the app by name. So I'll just type in Power Apps and then run the search. Here you can see we have our app. Tap on it and you want to make sure it is from Microsoft Corporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 42,000 reviews. Currently this app has been downloaded over 10 million times and the average size is around 80 MBs. If you see all these details, then you have the right Power Apps from Microsoft. To get it, tap on install and this will download the latest version of Power Apps app and then install it on your phone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you can see we have our Power Apps here. So if you open it, this is the welcoming logo and you can see the Microsoft logo down below. Go ahead and create your account to start using Power Apps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.